I'll write little down. Let r equal to AP and x comma y is equal to -1 plus r cos theta comma 1 plus r sin theta. I have to find locus of this point. How will I know r? Here what is r? R is AP length. Okay, we'll see that, but when I equate it here, I'll get x plus 1 is r cos theta and y minus 1 is r sin theta. Okay, the beginning part everybody wrote already, right? Okay. Now let us take the first question. Because they are in AP, I can write AB equal to AB plus AC by 2. AB plus AC is sum of the roots here. What is sum of the roots? AP is R, AB plus AC by 2 is sum of the roots here by 2. So, half of 4 cos theta minus 2 sin theta by sin square theta. Now, I will multiply with one more r on both sides and bring this here. So, I will get 2 into, I can cancel 2 there, r sin theta whole square equal to, when I multiply with r here, 2 times r cos theta minus r sin theta. R sin theta is y, no, not y minus 1. So, y minus 1 whole square equal to 2 into r cos theta is x plus 1 and r sin theta is y minus 1. There is another way to do the first question alone, I will discuss, but all 3 questions together is one standard model. That is what we are trying to do. These down 3 equations can I erase, right? Everybody copy it? Please respond. Okay, I am not planning to simplify due to lack of time, but question 2. AP square is equal to AB into AC. This is a product of the roots. So, this is r square. What is the product of the roots of the quadratic equation? Can somebody tell me? Which I erased just now. Five by sin square theta. Bring the sin theta here. So, it is r sin theta whole square equal to 5. Directly not y. Y minus 1 whole square equal to 5. That is basically a y coordinate is constant. If you take a horizontal line, question 3, they are in harmonic progression. At that time, we know AP is equal to 2AB into AC by AB plus AC. Harmonic mean formula is 2AB by A plus C. That one. So here I have to write product of the roots. Here I have to write sum of the roots. From this I will get R is equal to 2 into product of the roots. Just now somebody said 5 by sin square theta. I don't have to write. Sum of the roots came for this one 4 cos theta minus 2 sin theta. Okay. Now bring this r here, okay, and cancel 2. R cos theta you can write x, r sin theta you can write y, you will get 2x minus y equal to 5. Verify this is it polar of the given point or not? 2x minus y equal to 5. Y square equal to 4x, you can write y into 1. 4x, you can write 2x plus 2x. Minus 2. But constant is not coming 5 there. Anyway, here they ask circle, parabola, line like that only. They did not even ask what are the equations, but we have to do this. So answers are parabola, parabola, line. But to get this polar only. I did not get something about Protagoras somewhere, it will be wrong. When I substitute this in y square equal to 4x, I have a minus 4 and 1 minus 5 plus 4. Okay, minus 1 comma 1 polar. Y into 1, 2x plus 2 into minus 2. Polar is coming 2x minus y minus 4 equal to 0, right? So here also I should get 4. So is something wrong about constant. When I kept this in y square equal to 4x. Got 1 on this side minus 4 this side, that is 5 out. Yeah, here I wrote r cos theta is x, that is wrong. R cos theta is not x, r cos theta is x plus 1. So from here I should write, after doing this, cancelling 2 times r cos theta is 2 times x plus 1 minus sin theta is r sin theta is y minus 1 equal to 5. I'll get plus 2 plus plus 2 plus 1 3. So I'm getting 2x minus y is equal to 5 minus 3 2. Earlier I was getting y into 1 2x plus 2 into minus y. So 2x minus y minus 2. Yes, that's right. It's polar. Okay, I hope you understand that we did not use parabola concept anywhere here so much. It's all about first is straight lines, parametric forms. Am I right? Okay. Using this process, if somebody is interested, you don't take parabola, take a general second degree equation. Ax square plus 2hxy plus dy square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Take this point as x1, y1. And for AB, AP, AC to be in harmonic progression, if they are in harmonic progression, what is the locus of P? Find it. Finally, it will come polar of x1, y1. That's how we can prove it by coordinate geometry. That is what, because already we have an idea about the answer. Okay, but there is another way to prove. Okay, everybody clear? What is that we have done in this question? The process of how we approach this question. Okay. Okay, those who copied this, they can leave. We will continue tomorrow. Please continue doing advanced material even numbers. That means I expected already you have completed parabola mains material. Okay. Thank you. All right.